Hiya, Assalamu alaikum. When I ask you to make a table, do you make a table like this? Can you make a vocab table for me?
This is a vocab table.
No. You make a table like this. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make a really good table. Okay. Learn to make a vocabulary table with the joint form and separate form Urdu and English. Okay. This is how you do a table. I'll make one in this exercise book. Okay, now first of all, you notice that I'm not opening from this side. I'm opening from this side because these books are made for English, not for Urdu. English starts from left, goes to right. Urdu goes from right to left. So let's find a clean page. So that's the page where I'm going to make my table. Right, I need a ruler and a pencil. Because a ruler will help you to make straight lines. Now, this is what you do. Look at the pink margin line on this side. So you measure 4 centimeters. So you can put your ruler anywhere near the top and start measuring like this. Put that 0 line on the pink line, that 0 mark, and count 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a little mark on 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, make a tiny mark on 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, make a teacher mark on 12. Then you go near the bottom of the page and do exactly the same thing again. So pink line here, 0 mark, count up to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 centimeter, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 centimeter, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 centimeters. Now join that 12 centimeter mark from all the way top to bottom like this. First job done. Now measure one line from here. Look at that, that's one line, second line here. So after missing a line, I'm going to join the pink line with the line I've just drawn like this. Okay? Now, miss one line, do the same thing again, join the pink line with the line I've just drawn. Yeah, and then go near the bottom of your page and do the same thing. Miss one line from the bottom and join the pink line with the line I've drawn. Now, next job. Look at those 4 centimeter marks. This time I'm going to join this line with this line going through these 4 centimeter marks. So there you go. So 4 centimeter marks, right like that. Then I'll do the same thing with the 8 centimeter marks from the top line to the bottom line, going through these 8 centimeter dots. So if you do that, you make nice little table for your vocabulary items. Now, next job. Put the title on the top. I'm going to use the table we're going to do in Pakistan project as an example. So I'll put the title on the top. Pe alif kaf se te alif noon Pakistan. Pe re waw jim ye kaf te project, which means Pakistan project. Right. On the first column, I'm going to write Urdu, alif, re, dal, waw. Second column, I always write alahda, and lam, ye, he, dal, gol, he, alahda. And the last column, I'll write Angrezi. Urdu, separate from English. Now, this is a table from the Pakistan project. You can see the joint form written over there, separate from there, and English at the bottom. So we're going to make a table with these words. And I miss one line and write my first word. On the list, the first word is Pakistan. Like that. Then some people start writing them in separate form in English. Don't do that. First do the 10 words here. That's easy. All you're doing is just copying the words from the screen or from the sheet. So second word is Suba. I'm just copying it down. Suba. Third word is Punjab. Punjab. So this way, I'm going to write all my 10 words from top to bottom, right? I'm not going to bother about Lahda Haruf first. So do all the words, and I'll tell you what the last word is. Bada. So I'll put the last word over here. Bada. Once you've done that, then you start looking at the separate form one. And when you're looking for the separate form, always look at the last word. Last letter of the word. So in Pakistan, last letter is Noon. It's easy that way because in Urdu, when you write in the joint form, almost always the last letter stays as it is. Not always, almost always. So in separate form, it says Pakistan like this. Pe, Alif, Kashwara Kaf, Sin, Te, Alif, and Noon, Pakistan. Once you've done all these 10 words, you do all of them in separate form. So fill the first column first, then fill the second column. Once you've done the second column as well, so let me do one more word for you. Swad, Wow, Be, He. Then you start writing them in English. Now, it'll get really easy that way. Pakistan, which is Pakistan. So you can write Pakistan in English over here, and that way you can complete your table. Let me show you an example over here. So first column first, then the second column, and right at the end the third column. So that's a complete table which I'm going to show you over here, right? So that's one complete table. That's an example of a complete table. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz, and have a nice day.